What's up guys, Huawei is all set to launch the Mate 30 and the Mate 30 Pro smartphones next week. The event will take place in Munich, Germany on September 19th. Ahead of the official launch, we have come across a number of leaks giving us a rough idea on what to expect. Now, the latest Huawei Mate 30 Pro leak shows off the waterfall dual edge curve display. Yeah guys, someone got hold of an early unit, and while there is a white plastic used to hide the design, it doesn't do a good job. We can clearly see the curvature of the screen, which is more than what we have seen on the Galaxy S and the Note series smartphones. Basically, the screen has curve of 90 degrees, sometimes that we saw with the Samsung Galaxy Note Edge. Huawei could make use of sides for gestures or offer on-screen camera shutter buttons and more. The leak also offers a closer look at the new notch hardware. It seems to have the second generation face recognition hardware. From what we can see, it appears like a triple camera setup featuring a time of flight TOF sensor with a light emitter and sensor. More details are expected at the launch event when Huawei officially announces the smartphone. And yeah guys, however, what might be interesting is the software. We can't really see what the operating system from the image, but it appears the phone has an old school Google search bar widget, and at the bottom you can see the Android and style navigation bar. Huawei's Mate 30 series will reportedly lack the licensed version of the Android due to a US ban placed on the company. It's possible this phone is running Android based on the Android open source project, giving it access to a very limited version of the operating system. A mysterious Huawei smartphone rocking the new Kirin 990 chipset just appeared on Geekbench, and in all likelihood it's either the Mate 30 or the Mate 30 Pro, since the two are close to launch. However, the model number listed in the score sheet is unknown, so it might be an entirely different handset. All we could gather from the listing is that the phone comes with Android 10 and 8 gigs of RAM out of the box. Could this be another Mate 30 variant that we still haven't heard about? Or it could also be the Honor V30, which the company's president confirmed to support the Kirin 990 with 5G support, and it will be coming soon. Either way, more information needs to pile up before we know for sure. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yes, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.